Hey, this is Alan Lawson coming to you with another video on the farm, the mini farm that we're constructing here. As you can see, we've got our run up here. We got the coop here, and I'm getting ready to go in. And we got the nesting box in, so I need to mount this perch bar, and I need to mount some roost bars in the back of here. Stick with me and I'll show you how we can mount some roost bars in a pretty simple way, and a couple updates we got going on. So first things first, we're going to come in here. We're going to take out that center beam right here because I don't want to hit my head on it anymore. And we're going to take it and cut it down. Take it, bring it down, cut it in half, and then come down here, and we're going to mount a bar going down here, a 2x4 going down here, and a 2x4 going down here. So we can take this perch bar and mount it right here so they'll be able to get in and out of the lay boxes. So perch bar purchased from Carolina Coops. Awesome perch bar, so it's perfect for the size that we need. We just got to put some braces on to be able to install it. Okay, perfect. Now that we've got this, we will start. Should fit perfect. So we'll take it over here and cut it in half and measure where we need to put it. We should be good to go. First we're going to measure how far apart we need it, of course. So center on center is 27.25. So when we cut these in half, we're going to need 27.25. So first let's take a square, run the line over it so it's a straight line. There we go. Oh, there's my cut. There we go. Perfect. Now we're ready to cut these so we can get them in here and mount this perch bar. Perfect. So I'll screw in 2 screws from the top, catch it, and then we should be able to mount that right to it. No problem. That's awesome. Important to use a drill bit ahead of time before you go into it. That way you don't split the wood going in. And I'm gonna put 2 pretty deep screws in here so it secures it pretty well. So I definitely want to use a drill bit before I go in with these wood screws. Measurement was 27.25 center on center. So we can put it up here. Actually, I think I'm going to use the short screws for the tops and the long screws for the bottom down there. I think that'll work out best. So, just drill another hole going in. All right, I'm back. I got a square tip bit. Perfect. Right on the money. Fantastic. And that's how you mount the Carolina Coops 3-gang perch bar. That's awesome. It's gonna be so sturdy and they're gonna love it. Let me know if you got any questions. Like, subscribe. I know it's getting dark out here, but we got this done. And if you wanna see more videos like this, trying to get ready for my chickens, let me know. So I have that leftover piece of wood from building the perch a minute ago. So this right here, we'll put it as a little thing going up out the door we've got. And I've got some eye hooks that I built a chicken ramp, a DIY chicken ramp the other day to go outside. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the inside, put the eye hooks on the outside so you can see the ramp go into the run. So if you want to check it out, we're gonna do that now. So let me get a few screws. These are the eye hooks I was talking about. In a minute, we're gonna put them on the outside. That way we can hang the ramp out and you can see it all. So let me drill these out. That way. This is just gonna act like a little perch where they can get out. Ooh, these screws are gonna be long enough. So they can get out and just hop up and easily run right out the ramp. So that way they don't have to struggle and deal with breaking this wood up or anything. It's just a nice little trim piece, you know. Let's see what we got here. These would go. These are too long. These should be good. We'll run them in a little bit. That way all we gotta do is hold it there and drill in a minute. Appreciate you all watching me. I'm new to all this, so trying to get some chickens and get some fresh eggs. Who knows what it's gonna lead to, but my girlfriend and I are really excited about it, and we've got some big plans, so we'll see how it all comes out. But right now it's a new adventure and it's really awesome, so I appreciate y'all checking it out. So we'll go to the other side and we will drill them out with a little bit bigger drill bit and mount these hooks into this wood as well. That way it's held pretty sturdy. So that'll draw it back in that way. So I'll see you in the run in a second. Okay, I'm back. We're getting ready to go inside the run so we can get the outside of the door ready for that ramp that we built the other day. The ramp right here. It's got the eye hooks on the front, or the hooks on the front, so we can use these eye hooks and go to the front of the little chicken door that we just got cut in. So don't you like this beautiful chicken run? 10 by 20 feet, and it's got double door opening doors. So we're getting ready to bring it over here, hook it up so we can have the ramp that comes out into the run. Well, it looks like it got dark on us. We did get the board in the back, so we're back in the run now, and we're going to clean this up a little bit, and we're going to staple all this to the outside of the coop. But for now, we're going to put those little eyelets right here, little wooden eye screws that have a screw on end, and we're going to put them right here, straight into our board, so we can hang that ramp and it can go out. I'm going to use a drill to drill the hole in there, but first I gotta go measure to find out how far the hooks are apart. So I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. These things are 5 1/4 apart. So we're gonna take our handy dandy tape measure here. There's a trick to screwing these eyelets, screws in. Can't get that leverage, so you get a screwdriver and you get a lot more leverage. All right. That's pretty good. Okay, then we'll go 5 1/2. The other eyelet. Fantastic. Let's go get the ramp and see if it works. Money. Perfect. It's perfect. So, as you can see, we built this ramp the other day. Now it's completely detachable with these hooks. And if we want to clean out the run or whatever we want to do, all they got to do is jump right in, jump right out. It's perfect. We're going to staple all that chicken wire up. So we'll take a last look at the run and everything because it is dark outside, but we've got everything done on the run. We just got that cut in. Let's go back out the door. We got that. And then we just installed the perch bar. Roosting bars going up in a triangle into the corner because that's kind of a big space. I think it's gonna be perfect. So, but all we got to do is the predator barrier, hardware cloth, and put up some roost bars and we're done. So for now, and we're painting a chicken on the outside. To be continued to see the progress. This is Alan Lawson. Thanks for hanging out with me this evening. Sorry it got dark on us, guys. But like I said, I'm new to this stuff, and I appreciate it if you like it, subscribe, and if you got any helpful tips or hints or anything you see I'm doing wrong or you just want to discuss some stuff, let me know. Again, it's Alan Lawson signing off. Hope you have a good night. Peace.